this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can use screen time to your advantage for bilingual kids. Now, between you and me, screen time can be a little bit of a dirty word, but not all screen time is bad. In fact, it can definitely be used to your advantage when it comes to teaching your kids a brand new language. And the key here is keeping screen time for your little one's language journey as educational and as interactive as possible. Maybe you can do a screen time swap. Now, every mum on the face of the planet already has a schedule without an inch to pinch. But I love what one of our mums in the Cultured Home program, Anneke, did to fit language lessons into her busy family schedule. Now, she did a screen time swap. Her son, Soren, would normally spend time watching Peppa Pig during the day, and it was a chance to be able to catch her breath, but she simply swapped Peppa Pig for one of the Cultured Home language videos. And I thought that this was such a great way to fit in language lessons throughout the day without having to try and find extra time. Because if there is extra time, a mum honestly needs that time for a 5-minute coffee break to catch your breath. So have a think about the passive TV programs your kids are currently watching throughout the day and maybe swap it for a language lesson instead. Make screen time also interactive. Kids are going to be more engaged with screen time. So studies have shown that apps that allow a read-along experience, for example, can help children develop a better understanding of concepts around stories and of words. And the language lessons inside the Cultured Home encourage your kids to interact along the way as well. Our engaging call and response video formats introduce core vocabulary to kids through live video and animation, as well as introducing both the written word. And what we find is that kids in the response section, they repeat the word before our native speakers are even doing it. So co-view, co-play, co-engage with your kids during screen time, and you'll not only help them better retain these new words, you're also going to be learning alongside them. Now, young kids learn best when you reteach them in the real world what they've just learned on the screen. So say, for example, you watched a language lesson that taught different colors. Then go over this again later while you're spending time together without the screen. Also, non-native speaking mamas need screen time. Educational language videos and apps taught by native speakers are a linguist lifesaver for parents who don't speak the language themselves. And screen time gives your child and you exposure to the native accent and the sound of the word. The extent to which your child picks up a new language heavily depends on how much exposure they have to it. And while this seems obvious, I think there's something parents can overlook. It is way better to have a mini lesson a day for continual repeated exposure than a longer lesson once or twice a week. And knowing your child can hear how the native language is correctly pronounced through video lessons takes a huge weight off your shoulders. And I mean, trying to roll those Spanish R's smoothly, it's a little challenging. Bottom line on screen time is educational and interactive screen time can play an important role in helping your child learn a second language, especially if you're a non-native speaking parent. But it shouldn't be just the only tool that you have. Reading, playtime, songs, physical activities should all play a key part of your journey as well. So I hope this has been helpful for you. Let me know in the comments what you think your favorite aspect of being able to engage your kids in a language. And if it's through video content or if it's screens, let us know what it is your kids love doing the most. I'll look forward to hearing your feedback and I'll chat to you in the next video. See ya.